Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for Mini Militia. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Mini Militia game and make sure that you're inside this page. Now, from the main home page, click the gear button at the top left. Inside your account tab, click on this Facebook button and follow the prompts. Enter your mobile number or your email associated with your Facebook account and enter your Facebook password. Finally, click login and click on continue button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for your Mini Militia account using your Facebook option. Click the continue button to receive the cash. And now, start playing the game by clicking on the battle button. That is how you can easily sign up for Mini Militia. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.